Welcome. Thank you for joining our guided meditation. As we begin, I'd invite you to think about who you would like to invite into your sacred space to help you feel safe and at ease. You might invite your spirit guides, Jesus, the archangels, your ancestors, or your animal totems. And also think of something that helps you to truly feel love, grace, joy, compassion, or peace. That thing might be a person, a pet, a place in nature, even a memory or a fantasy. Think of something that brings you love when you think of this place or person. Take a nice, long, deep abdominal breath, noticing how the breath feels, the temperature of the air as you breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Notice as you take a deep breath how your rib cage and your abdomen expand and contract. Notice the weight of your body where it touches the chair or the bed. Allow for a moment to feel as if your body is melting into the surface. And as you start to relax and bring to mind this person or place that helps you to feel love, really allow your body to feel what it feels like to feel love. Our emotions truly are our superpower. Allow that feeling to grow, to become as big as it can possibly become. Allowing that feeling of love, peace, joy to permeate all the parts of your being. You're truly allowing yourself to love and to feel. When that feeling becomes as large as it can possibly become, imagine a golden orb in front of your body and fill that orb with pure, unconditional love. Filling it. And notice the orb becoming brighter and maybe warmer. It might even begin to vibrate as it fills with love. When the orb is glowing and full of divine love, I invite you to send it to the core of Mother Earth, thanking her for the nourishing and nourishment and love that she provides to us. And as we send our love down to Mother Earth in gratitude, we also receive her love and allowing Mother Earth to love us in return, allowing all the parts of our being to bask in the nourishing, nurturing field of divine love that she provides to us. I envision a column of white light coming up from the center of the earth and encompassing our being, allowing that light, that love, that healing energy to permeate all the parts of your being. In this moment, there is nowhere to go and nothing to do except to bask in the love that is your birthright. If you notice thoughts or limiting beliefs, just thank them, love them, and allow them to float away, coming back to this place of pure, unconditional, nourishing love. When you're ready, I invite you to send love up to God, divine source of all that is, and allow God's love to come back to you. Protective, healing, nourishing, nurturing, pure, unlimited, unconditional love, as if you are basking in the ether that is all that is, allowing the unconditional love of the divine to permeate all the parts of your being. You might envision a golden light streaming down from the heavens and encompassing all of your being. In this moment, there is nothing to do except to receive the unconditional love of the divine that is and always has been your birthright. As you notice places in your being where that love could flow a little freer or a little brighter, go to those places within you and love them. Remind them that they're safe. Remind them that they too are worthy of unconditional love. And as you notice limiting beliefs, thank them, love them. They're only trying to protect you. Love them. Remind them that you're an adult now. You're safe. It is your birthright. You are worthy. You are enough. It is good to receive the unconditional love that is yours. Allow it to nourish, nurture, and heal all the parts of your being. Allowing that feeling of divine, unconditional love to penetrate all the parts of your being. Just bask in that love and allow it to nourish and heal. If you notice parts of your body that need a little more love, breathe into those parts. Speak gently to them as if they are a hurt child. Love them and remind them that they're safe. Breathing into that part. And that one. Remember to be gentle with you. You too are worthy. Your present selves, your past selves, your younger selves, the ones you judge, they too are worthy of love and healing. And as thoughts come in, just thank them, for that is what thoughts do. And allow them to float away and come back to this place of peace, love, and healing, giving yourself permission to receive. And take a moment to notice what this place feels like. And allow that feeling to become as big and as powerful as it can possibly be. You can come back to this place at any time, in any moment, simply by remembering unconditional love, or bringing to mind the person, place, or memory where you can feel the most love, joy, compassion, and peace. When you're ready to come back to this world, I'll invite you to gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes and gently flutter your eyes open. And remember how easy it is to come back to this place of groundedness and peace. To remember that you too are worthy of unconditional love and healing. As you start to come back into this world, I'll remind you that you can come back to this place at any time, at any moment, simply by bringing to mind a person, a place, a memory, or a fantasy that brings to mind this feeling of love, peace, joy, compassion. This is the frequency that changes the world. I honor you. I honor you for doing this work and holding this frequency. I invite you to come back to this place at least once a day, perhaps first thing in the morning and last thing at night, to shift your frequency and set the tone for your day and for your healing in your sleep. I believe this is powerful medicine. As you shift your frequency, you shift the world around you. You affect not only your own healing, but your family members and everyone that you come in contact with. But not only that, I believe that we shift the collective. Simply by changing your frequency, we start to change the frequency of the entire world. I am honored to be your guide today. My name is Marni. I represent Kino Institute of Healing and the Touch Revolution podcast. If you need help in this work, please reach out to your friends, your therapist, or your family here at Kino. We are truly honored to be here for you.